Okay, the cosine rule is like the sine rule. We use it to find sides and angles. With the sine rule, if you've got two sides and two angles, including the unknown, because if we don't include the unknown in the formula, what is the point of doing the formula? Then you use the sine rule. But with the cosine rule, you've got three sides and an angle, including the unknown, and that tells me you're doing the cosine rule. Cosine rule is an adaptation on Pythagoras' theorem. C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. The angle is opposite the unknown side. So if we're finding a side, C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. 5.6 squared plus 6.4 squared minus 2 times 5.6 times 6.4 times cos 112 degrees 32 minutes. Now I'll put it in my calculator. The error you people will make in your calculator is you'll forget to square root it. So you'll get a number that'll be something like, I don't know, 185, and you'll think that's okay, 55.6, 6.4, 185. If you get something like that, you're going to think, should I have square rooted it? I'll just do the calculation. In this case, when we put this in our calculator, we get 99 point something. That's not going to work. So when I square root it, I get 9.98, and that is, to the whole number is 10. This formula has been rearranged to get the angle formula. I need you to rearrange it. We will go through that in class. You need to be able to rearrange that in case you forget it. But the formula is the same, and at the end, if you get a decimal, you're thinking, did something wrong, it should be an angle. So, cos C equals, these are A and B. Doesn't matter which order, as long as you get the C, the one opposite the angle as the one on its own, 2 times 6 times 5. Now when I put it in my calculator, I'd put that in brackets, I'd press divide, I'd press and put that in brackets as well, and then press equal. The angle, I'm just going to do it to the nearest degree, is 30 degrees. When you put it in your calculator, you'll get 0.86. Something, this, and you've got to press inverse sine. Evaluate BAC, that's this one, to the nearest degree a minute. It's exactly the same as over here, so I'll write it up and you can just refer to that so the video doesn't go too long. It's important to note that this is C. Because it's the biggest side, it's going to be opposite the biggest angle, so I'm not surprised when I get an angle of 103 degrees. Just put it into the formula, put it into the calculator, and that's the value I got.